Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Canva and enabling AI tools. This unlocks templates and text to image. Once done, upload your brand assets, logo, fonts, hex colors, and 1 to 3 sample images to keep visuals consistent. Next, choose your output size, like 16, 9 for video or square for social, so the AI composes layouts to that frame. You want constraints early. They guide the generation and save revisions. Now click Create a Design and pick a template close to your goal to speed things up. You'll use Canva's text-to-image or magic design next. Type a concise prompt with style, mood, and color hints, for example, minimalist poster, warm tones, bold typography. Once the AI produces options, drop in your uploaded assets and replace placeholders. You can lock elements you want to preserve. Make iterative tweaks to spacing and fonts, use auto layout and snap so alignment stays consistent. If type looks off, change weight or letter spacing. If imagery clashes, toggle filters or rerun generation with refined prompts. You finish by proofreading every line and checking color contrast for readability. Aim for accessible contrast standards. Once satisfied, set export options, PNG for web images, MP4 for animated designs, or PDF for print, and choose quality settings to balance file size and fidelity. Make a final version copy and save a template so you can reuse the structure. If the AI output looks off, one troubleshooting tip: regenerate with a tighter prompt and swap one variable at a time to isolate what caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.